Just for Moms Mondays, brought to you by the sponsors of MomsEveryday.com. Welcome to MomsEveryday.com. I'm your host, Jen Lennon. Today I'm joined by Ty Serino. He is a senior service technician with B&L Plumbing. Ty, welcome.
Good morning.
Now, Ty, you've got some tips for us as the weather gets warmer about checking out our outdoor plumbing fixtures. What do we need to know about what could have happened over the winter?
A lot of things could happen over the winter with your hose bibs. They can freeze and be damaged behind the wall.
Okay.
That's the biggest concern that can happen.
So this is the spigot that we see on the outside?
Correct. This is what they call an outside hose bib or an outside spigot. The damage can happen back here, and it can happen because you left your hose hooked up to the on the hose.
Okay.
And it can freeze back here on the barrel.
So it could actually trap water in there, and that freezes, and then that causes that barrel to split?
To split, just like a copper pipe would split.
Okay, so how can we check for that?
Walk up to your hose bib, put your thumb right over the end of it like this, and try to open it and slowly. And if you're not able to hold the pressure back, and it starts blowing your thumb out of the way, then your hose bib is good.
Okay.
If you can hold it back and open it all the way up,
then something's leaking.
It is leaking down behind the wall.
Okay, and what about this? What is this, Ty?
This is called an outside atmospheric breaker. It's for an irrigation system for your sprinkler system.
All right.
The biggest thing about this thing is you really don't want any water coming out of it at all. There should be no leaks, no spraying anywhere out of it.
Okay.
When you initially fire the unit up, you may see a little bit of water coming out of the top here. It's just called reseating the seal.
Just for a few seconds?
Split second.
And then no other subsequent
Ever
times
again.
should you see water? Okay.
Never should you see it again.
And again, that means something's gone wrong in here and you
Right.
need to have that serviced.
This can be serviced. And this is only one of the few makers out there. There are several brands out there, but they're all serviceable.
Okay, wonderful. So try these tests, double check your outside plumbing to save yourself some hassle and money down the road,
Oh,
right?
yes. Yes, ma'am.
If you find any of those issues, give B&L a call.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thanks so much, Ty.
Thank you.
And for more information about B&L Plumbing, you can go to our website, momseveryday.com. Thank you for joining me today, and every day, I'm your host, Jen Lennon, for momseveryday.com.
Moms Every Day, weekdays on KKTV, is brought to you by the sponsors of MomsEveryday.com.